we are going to add the most important factor of communications, which is connecting with the customers for doing the right follow-up into the LeadCon platform. First, we'll go to briefcase and compose email, SMS, WhatsApp. Presently, under the section of uncategorized, we have already given you six different types of templates related to the introduction, product, services, features, and so on and so forth. So, for example, if you want to check the introductory email, which we have already mentioned here, so we have created it on the basis of the website, okay, the products and service that you had offered, and it's an auto one that we have created, which you can simply go and edit the way you want. Okay, you can be creative, you can drag and drop certain elements and so on and so forth. So this is one way of doing it. At the same time, you can also do it by adding new categories and multiple templates under this. But what we will suggest is, so now let's start by adding a new category, which is, for example, I'll say introduction to company. Okay, click on submit. The new update helps you to have a master category and then subcategory. So I'm going to add one more category which says product information. Okay, so now you have got two master categories. So one is the introduction to company, other is product information. Under the section of introduction to company, when you click on the I, you come to the section where now you are in a position to add multiple templates. So the first template that I'm going to add is introduction, right? So I choose introduction, click on. So what is the selected category? It is introduction to company. The form or CSV, this I'll take you later, but right now I click on submit and the data is saved. So now you have got the first template which has been created, which is introduction, SMS, and even the WhatsApp. Pertaining to email, let's now write an email. So the subject line will be thank you for choosing, just like I have mentioned here, thank you for choosing, and you can mention your company name, right? So that could be the subject. Now let's write the email. The best part is I write dear and I pick up the customer first name. So the beauty is, whatever email that you write here is going to go customized, as in personalized for each and every user that you are sharing it with. So I mentioned thank you for showing interest in knowing more about our products and services. We are an organization which helps increase your sales by implementing special customized services relevant for your customers. Now, although I have written it like this, at the same time, what you could also do is you can also simply pick up something from the other places like this. Copy this. I'm copying this from the website for your information, and you can see that it's all updated. Now, the other part of making it customized that you can, we would request you to go through our website, to know more about our offerings. And you can simply go back to your website, click here, copy, come back, paste. Okay, we will connect with you on. I'll go back and I'll say phone number, and I'm gonna drag and drop the customer phone number 1. Okay, and email, I'm gonna go and drag and drop customer email 1. Okay, so this is in place. We look forward to connecting with you soon. So my introduction email is ready. If I wish to add an attachment, just like before, I'm going to choose an attachment. I choose an open. I click on save, and you can see the attachment is being saved and is being added to the email. So you can see the file is being uploaded right now onto the along with the email attachment. Once the file is uploaded, you can see it says you have edited email successfully, after which also this section will turn gray. The other important factor is if you wish to edit it again, simply click there and you will get directed to the place where we had earlier added the email. You want to do some changes, like call us at your toll-free number. You can also mention that. Just go below and you can add your 1-800 number. Okay, once done, click on save and your email has been edited successfully. Now with pertaining to the SMS and WhatsApp is what we are going to do again. I choose dear customer first name. Okay, thank you for choosing our company. Now you have to remember this, that this is an SMS. So you have to write the SMS message and also the WhatsApp message in smaller characters because it is going to be seen in their phone. Choosing our company, we would like you to go through our website for more details. Whereas in again I'll copy and I'll come back and paste. We will connect with you on phone number and email ID. So I'm going to drag and drop the customer email ID here. We look forward to meet you soon. Once it is done, click on. So one thing is that you can also now copy this message. The SMS and WhatsApp can be copied for one another, but not from email because email is an HTML email. I click on submit, and now the SMS is being saved. So you can see it is turned gray, and now let's add a WhatsApp. As I had copied this message, I can simply go and paste. So now even the WhatsApp is ready. But now you also have one more beautiful element. For Android phones, you can now upload files in all these different formats. Okay. So for example, if I want to add a certain file, like I have this here. Okay, this file, for example, again it's a PDF. I click on open, so the PDF file is added. I click on submit, so now what happens is it is uploading the file along with the text. So now you are able to send the text and also the attachment, which can be seen directly under WhatsApp. Of course, it's not available for SMS, but for WhatsApp, yes, as WhatsApp supports multiple document sharing. Once you have added it, it says entered WhatsApp data successfully, and now all the templates are good to go. In a similar fashion, you can create multiple templates talking about benefits of your company. All right, I'm just giving you an example. Then you can also talk about a template which says, offices around the country, which could be a simple message about the different addresses of your organization. Then there could be one which says customer testimonials, in which you can add all the product videos and photos of the customer testimonials, right? So you can create these multiple templates. If you wish to change something, simply click on edit template, go to the template, choose like I wanted to add offices close to you, for example, is what I wanted to change that. I click on submit, and you can see if you go under the introduction to company, office is close to you. It is all updated. Okay,